Hi everyone, Chef PD back again. Today's cooking lesson is bitter melon. If you have never heard of bitter melon, it has a very strong bitter taste to it. I don't know why I love it, but Mom used to cook it for us when we were younger. Lots of benefits to eating bitter melon. Helps with inflammation, ulcers. Some say that the extract even cures cancer and other ailments. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here are the ingredients what you need. I have 3/4 pound of bitter melon here, and I'll show you how to cut those. I got 1/2 pound of sliced chicken thigh, and I'll show you how to marinate that. But you can also use any protein, tofu, beef, pork, lamb, pretty much any protein you like. I have 1 tablespoon of salted black bean, and it comes in a container like this. Basically, it's just black bean that's salted and it's preserved, and you have to soak it in hot water for just a few minutes, and then we'll drain the water out and we'll smash it up and use it. Then I have 1 tablespoon of minced ginger, 1 clove of garlic minced, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1/4 teaspoon of sesame oil, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. We'll mix that with water to thicken our sauce. Okay, let's get prepping. Alright, let's marinate the chicken first. Basically, you're just going to use a little bit of the light soy sauce, maybe 1 teaspoon. And I like the Pearl River Bridge brand. It's got a pretty good flavor. It's light soy sauce. And a little bit of rice cooking wine. About 1/2 teaspoon. Quarter teaspoon of cornstarch. And just mix. Thoroughly. Get a dash of oil, cooking oil, and let this marinate for 1/2 hour to 1 hour. Okay, for the bitter melon part, I'm going to cut the ends off. Slice it lengthwise in half. And use a spoon and get rid of the seed, and especially the white part here, inside here. That's really bitter. Want to scrape all that stuff out. most of the white is out. Now we're going to slice it. We're going to slice it fairly thin. Probably a 1/4 inch or less. And you're going to angle it out like this. Okay, all done. And then with the salted black beans, I drained it already. Now we just mash it up. Make it into a paste. Actually, this is kind of like the secret ingredient here. Minced black bean kind of makes the dish. Okay, and then one more thing we need. Egg. I almost forgot. We're going to need egg to put in later. Alright, let's start cooking. Alright, let's get your wok heated up really hot here. Then you're going to put about half a tablespoon of oil in here. Let that heat up. You're gonna put ginger. Put the ginger in. Let it cook up a little bit. Garlic. Chicken. And also with this recipe, if you don't like bitter melon, you can use it. You can use squash in place of that, or celery, or asparagus. But if you do want to try it, please comment below in the description box. And as always, all my recipes are in the description box below. Okay, chicken is about halfway done. Now you're going to put the bitter melon in. Put about 3/4 cup of water in here. And we're just going to cover and let it cook for about 3 minutes or so. Okay, about 3 to 4 minutes. Let's check it. You want this to be soft. Still not tender enough yet, so we're gonna cook it for another couple more minutes here. Alright, let's check it out. Okay. Looks like it's pretty soft. Now we're just going to put all the ingredients in now, the dry. So this is the sugar. This is the minced, or the black bean, minced black bean. Sesame oil. Oyster sauce. Now we're just going to put a little water with the cornstarch here. Now if you want a little bit darker, and all you do is add a little dark soy sauce, just for the color, and it's definitely not necessary. Mix the cornstarch and water. Now, I'm going to crack an egg in here. And we are done. Okay, let's plate it up. Okay, so I got a bowl of steamed rice, and I put some of the bitter melon and chicken in here. Let's try it out. Oh yeah. Nice and bitter. So good. It's garlicky, and you could taste a bit of ginger in here, and that black bean definitely made this dish. So good. Like I said, it's an acquired taste. You may not like it, but please try it out and let me know what you think. Until next time, see ya! Great, so a bunch of viewers are interested in buying these black t-shirts, Dragon House t-shirts. So if you're interested, please email me at this address down here, right there. And let me know what size and quantity you want. And then we'll try to get some and get them out to you.